Super Clean sent us another sample kit here of some of their products. We got some Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. And then we got the same thing in the spray bottle here. We're going to try some of this foam type spray on the old Big Red here that I'm cleaning up and doing just a little bit of work to. I got this whole thing just riding around. Motor, it's seeping a little oil over here, so we're going to clean it up and let her set a few minutes and hose it down and see what it does here. I can already see it eating at the grease right now.
Yeah, it's starting to run off a bit.
All right, so we're going to let that set and we'll be back with you guys in about a minute. Be better if you had a pressure washer, but I mean you can look on the concrete there and see the grease coming off of it. And this is very thick, so it may take a couple coats on it. And if I had my pressure washer hooked up, it really help me. But it's bringing it off. And like I said, that was some caked on grease right there.